So here we are coming into the Rush Go Big or Go Home Video Game Center. Let's see our progress today. Display case is up. We've got Mike putting the yellow pop on the counter right there. Lounge is about the same as yesterday. You can see the stools here. We've got our clothing over here almost ready. It's all cool, Hot Topic video game themed. That's the video control station. That's for all of the video wall on top. Video game stations all around the exterior walls. Professional gaming monitors with 4K TVs on top. This is going to be a virtual game area here. And VXP's video walls going around the entire perimeter will be a 200-foot video wall in all. This is a VIP room in here. We'll have this finished today. Coming to the back, the video wall continues. Gaming centers on both sides with 4K TVs above. All custom Go Big or Go Home logoed seating. Pretty awesome stuff. We come around the corner, you see the other wall. Video gaming all the way down. And this video wall can be individual, they can be one image, mixed up images, all kinds of great stuff. You can see on top we've got 19 projectors in an array controlling the 200-foot video wall. Here's VIP room number 2. This will be completed today. We've got fun cutouts everywhere all through it. It's very, very cool. Back out to another virtual gaming area. And that's our progress report for today.